Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa Fashionista 101 and today I'm going to be doing a fall and winter fashion trend of 2020 and I'm super excited to tell you guys like what's in trend for this season and for the next season. And also I'm going to be telling you guys if I think it's hot or not with these trends. I love trying new trends. I think it's fun. And today I do have some wine. It's super cute. And I got these cute glasses. They're called the flutes glasses. I thought it was such a darling pickup. I got it from TJ Maxx. And then I do have my yummy scented candle right here. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna set my room on fire. It's Christmas themed. Go ahead and get started with the trends. Okay, so number one is the bright colored suits. So I think this look, sorry guys, my camera. This look is really cute. So the models on the pictures look really fabulous. You see the reds, the more brighter blues, the brighter oranges. So it's definitely the more loud colors, but I always love brighter colors on people that have darkened complexion. This is your time to shine, to just show off the colors and see how good you look in those tones. But I definitely think it's a hot look. I need my wine. Number two is the brown PU leather coats. So, of course, the leather coats and leather is really popular this season. I feel like it's always popular every year. Anybody could wear it. I feel like a teenager can wear it, adults can wear it, children can wear it. Any type of person can wear it, honestly. And plus, a lot of brands carry coats that are leather or pleather. So go pick up these kind of items. I think it's cute. I think it's definitely a hot on my list for the trends. Number three, natural tones all over. So you see a lot of more neutral browns, tan colors, more taupey colors. I really enjoy the brown shades. I feel like with my skin complexion it can easily blend in, but I think it looks kind of cute if I just add like a bright lipstick or just a brighter like eye look, just to like make it a little more louder on the face than the outfit, just to even it out a bit. But I definitely like this look. I feel like I've always kept this look in my wardrobe. They shown on the models. I think it's fabulous. I love the sweater with that skirt, super cute. They did the different shades of browns in one outfit, so, or even just in all one solid outfit too. So I definitely say this is a hot for the trend. Okay, so number four, the wide leg trousers tucked into boots. So they're just more of the oversized kind of look. It's definitely a classic look. I don't know if I'm crazy about this look. I just think it looks a little sloppy. It just reminds me of like when my husband gets ready for work because he's in the military. He wears this like military uniform and he has these baggy like pants and he tucks it in his boots. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know, I'm just not crazy about it. I gotta say, it's a not for me for the trend. It's just not my thing. Number five, blue styled with natural tones. So I actually really enjoy this one. It's ironic because I have browns with blues in my background. I'm wearing blue, so like I kind of feel like I'm rocking the look right now. But I love the blues with the browns. I think it just evens it out so well. They, for some reason, just meshes so well. And I think it just sets a very muted, very soft look. I don't know, I really like it. I think it's very cute, especially with those blue trousers. Love them. So I definitely think it's a hot in my book. Number six, the yellow maxi coats. So this is a very more bold yellow. Reminds me of like a yellow mustard color. See browns, yellow coats. I do like yellow and brown together. I think it's very fun. I think it's definitely not for everybody because not everybody likes to be bright and bold out there. For people that like to try these trends, like you go get yourself a brand new yellow jacket, rock it. So I definitely have to give it a hot for the trend. Number 7, so cream color slouch boots. So I actually love this. I love cream color boots, and it's like the more slouchier, so the ones that are kind of look wrinkled. I think it's kind of cute. It's not my favorite type of boots, but I do like the look of them. If you wear like a very classy outfit with it, it definitely looks more dressier compared to like other type of boots. But yeah, I think it's cute. I feel like these kind of boots are always in style anyway. I would say it's hot on my list. Okay, number 8, tiger prints. So you have right here, so you look at the models, they're wearing like a coat with it. They're wearing a dress that has tiger print. And they add some blue jeans, boots with them. An easy way to freshen up your look. I am not crazy about like cat prints. It depends on the print itself. Like if it's like the scale of the print is so big and it looks so busy, then I'm not crazy about it. But if it's like more of a smaller medium scale, then I might most likely wear it. I don't know. I would not personally wear it, especially the coat. I look like a tiger. Let's just be real. Maybe if you guys like tiger prints, then try it out. I'm gonna say it's not on my list just because I don't like tiger prints. Number 9, so pop color soft handheld bags. So these are like the handheld bags, which I think is kind of pointless. I just feel like a woman really don't need to have something to carry, especially for moms out there who, you know, don't have the extra arm to do that. For me, I'm tiny, my baby's kind of big, so I have to carry him with both of my arms, so it's kind of tricky to be carrying a handheld bag and a baby. I don't know, it's just like, what's the point of the bag? So it says it's a very comfy and stylish look, and if you look at the models, I think they look fabulous with the bags. They look like they're going to a fashion show or events. I think it's more of like a out and about evening type of bag for like an everyday bag, because if we're in a rush, let's be real, we don't want to be carrying something. So I would say it's not on my list just because like for me as an everyday woman, like I don't need to be having a handheld bag. Number 10, chain necklaces worn with hoop earrings. So I do really like this trend. I personally would not wear it, but I've seen multiple models and people out in the streets wearing chains with hoops. I feel like that's not even a trend. That's definitely like an essential for a lot of women out there who have that in their vanities. So I think it's very cute, it's very classy, very feminine. The reason I wouldn't wear is because I don't like a lot of stuff on my neck, just because like I have a small neck. Like I don't need to have anything super cold or heavy on my neck, so I need another sip. Can you guys see my candle? I don't know if you guys can. I would say it's a hot trend for sure. That is it for tonight, you guys. Sorry I say tonight because it's actually almost 11 o'clock here. I should probably be going to bed because I have work tomorrow. I don't want to be up all night. I will see you guys in my next video, and also subscribe to my channel and like this video. So I do have an Instagram if you guys would like to follow at Marissa Fashionista 101. I will see you guys next time. Bye.